Hey, welcome to Eden Valley Farm. My name is Adner and I just want to share with you how to prune the leaves off your tomatoes and why we do it. This plant is about 7.5 feet, and one of the things that we do is that then we come halfway up, so let's say the first 3.5 to 4 feet, and we take all the leaves down. The reason we do this is because once you take the leaves down, all the nutrients that was coming to this leaf now can focus on the tomatoes and you will have a better quality tomato. The other thing is aeration. Some tomatoes, in order for them not to get sick with fungus and other things and bugs, proper airflow, it's very, very important. So that's why we just keep, let me prune this one, that way you can see exactly how we do this. But look at this, I mean, look at this sucker. It grew so much, so, and it allows us even to find suckers like that we really don't need, but just check that out. So basically right now you can see your tomatoes. One more leaf here, and that you have beautiful tomatoes that very, very soon will turn red. Again, don't prune your leaves so early. Like, you might see this and be like, oh, let me go outside now and prune my tomatoes. Wait until you get to this process, until your tomatoes are almost in that stage of almost getting ripe. So in about a week and a half, we're gonna see tomatoes here ripening. So that's why we're coming now and pruning all these leaves. And of course, we want this energy right here to keep expanding the energy to focus on the top of the plant. So thank you for watching. If you have any subject, if you have any, it's like, hey, can you show me the type of greenhouses? Can you show me the fields? Or any topics that you would like to learn more, let us know. Give us ideas of what videos you would like to see in this channel as well. So thank you, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.